GTII Stock Tuesday. Am I bullish or bearish on global tech industries in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months? With GTII, holy, it is 14% down today. Number one on the list after, I mean, as long as it was in here, it was fine, right? I was pretty much waiting for the price to break certain high, whatever I was thinking. It was maybe this one right here, for me to then be bullish if that happens. Only if it breaks the high, right? But then boom, never did that. Just continue to deliver. I mean, you can check out my previous videos. I'm sure I was pretty kind of positive as of right here. Then refine my strategy over and over again. Never held the support, whatever you call it. It's not a support, it's pretty much just a demand area. I'm basing my opinion off of previously making 14,500 plus videos over the last 3 years. So I do have quite a lot of experience. And I mean, even I can actually record this as an L, although it was not an L. I really want to do this stuff when I just record them as an L. It just kind of adds to my edge if it's profitable with an L in it. That's actually not supposed to be there. It just keeps me more profitable. Like, it just my thing is just on steroids. So with GTI, I mean, pretty much just is just delivering as of right here. I think we might free fall unless we start to shift maybe above here like multiple times. At least two times is for me to actually start to maybe see shifts. But right now it is pretty bearish, so we're just kind of like letting the price be. I'm not bearish to Zillow's. All I'm saying is this might be a start of some bearish trend and season. And yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated.